What is wisdom? Wisdom is the ability to accurately distinguish between what to adopt and what to reject. It is like the ability to see. Without wisdom you have no chance of developing other good qualities. If you follow this advice, then naturally, your wisdom increases. However much your wisdom grows, your honorable behavior develops equally. As your honorable behavior grows, every area of your life improves, like the swelling of a summer river. Each year, each month, each day, you must strive to improve yourself. You are more invested in yourself than anyone else in this world ever will be. If you don't reflect on your own faults and strengths, how are you any different than an animal? Even when making minor business decisions, you do analysis and seek advice. When making major life choices, it's foolish not to analyze and not to ask. It's rare to find a perfect person, but if you recognize your flaws as flaws, you can correct them because they're circumstantial, then you become like a bright, cloudless moon. Though it's hard to find all qualities perfected in one person, if you appreciate, cultivate, and familiarize yourself with all the best principles and characteristics, one day you will become extraordinary. As long as you fail to recognize your faults as faults, you will repeat them again and again. While you perpetuate this stream of faults, your good qualities will erode. The more familiar you become with good qualities, the more you become free from faults. If you remain inattentive and careless, 100 years could pass with no improvement. When good qualities increase in your life, you will become equal to those who were once superior. You will surpass those who were once your equals. You will ascend higher and higher.